update video. What is happening with Bitcoin? I want to zoom out a little bit in this video and show you. Let us start with the zoom out and show you what I'm seeing here if we are zooming out. So fun fact is Bitcoin can avoid a 10th close of a weekly candle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks of red candles, and the 10th week will close green if we stay above 29,500, right? So this is only fun fact, and it seems like we are forming a hammer candle, a green hammer candle, invert hammer candle. This is the second, I show you, this is the second most bullish candle. You see here, second most bullish candle, and usually this candle means a trend reversal. So let's see what will happen. I mean, we have still 5.5 hours to go, but I want quickly show you here. By the way, you see how perfectly I showed you here when this was in April. I showed you if we break down, then we see huge breakdown to the downside if we break this channel, and yes, we saw it. Nice. So guys, what I want to show you, we have two things what we're seeing here. So one thing is on the weekly, we see a huge bullish divergence. If you in bullish divergence measure from downside, you see price is going up while the RSI is going down. This is a huge bullish divergence. But if we are a little bit zooming in, we see here, look at this. Oh, wait a minute. We see here, where was it? Wait a minute. This was here. Yeah, wait a minute. If we're zooming in, we see here, the RSI is going up while the price is going down. Bullish divergence measure always from downside. You see, this is a bearish divergence, but maybe this bearish divergence already played out because we saw here this huge dump, right? So maybe this is the bearish divergence which already worked out, right? So I cannot say you for sure, but looks like this bearish divergence already worked out. So we have only what us left is this huge bullish divergence, right? And I want to show you, I think it was also here. Wait a minute. Yes, I think it was even on the monthly. We saw also huge bullish divergence. Wait a minute. Let me quickly watch. I think there was, yes, there was a clear also. Look at this. We see here also very clear bullish divergence on the monthly. Look at this. The RSI is the price is going down while the RSI is going down while the price is going up on a monthly basis. So what this means, guys, this means Bitcoin is not dead. This is very clear, but this means we will see in the next months or years. This can nobody say to 100%, but we will see a huge pump to the upside, because this is a very huge bullish divergence. And what is also very interesting, guys, when we saw last time when we were so down, the RSI, look, we are at 46 right now. Last time we were at 46 at this level. It was 43 here. It was when we were when we reached our bottom, you see. So in this area, so there's a little bit more room to go down, but we are also, in my opinion, more near to the bottom than to the top, right? So it's obvious. So we are more near to the bottom. Also, if I'm watching here on the weekly, you see the RSI is 33, and the last time it was so low, guys, you see it was here. I mean, it's a little bit more room to go down, a little bit more room. And I told you I'm expecting still Bitcoin go below 26,500. And I have the bet with Jamie, Big Boss Guru, you know. So I think we are going still to see Bitcoin 25,000 or even at 20,000. So this could be maybe the proof that we will see Bitcoin a little bit more down, maybe to 20,000. But then we reach our bottom, and then we see Bitcoin only going up. I mean, it takes some time, but it would be the bottom. So this is on the bigger picture what I want to show you, this big bullish divergence on the weekly, which we saw, and on the monthly. This is very, very bullish for Bitcoin. But in the immediate short term, guys, for our day traders, let us watch in the immediate short term what is happening here. So we see Bitcoin right now pumping, and not much happening throughout the weekend because we don't saw high volatility on Friday evening, right? Friday night. So It's still same, guys. If we're breaking with the clear 4-hourly candle, so we still have here 1.5 hours to go above the 4-hourly EMA ribbon, and we're closing. I need to see a little bit more volume. Then we can start to long Bitcoin to 30,500. I would take here some profits because it could be that we pump here, get rejected, and see a dump. So please take profits at 30,500 if we are clearly closing above 4-hourly EMA ribbon, and if we see a little bit more volume. The second price target would be around 31,500. The technical price target of the W is 31,600. Take profits at 31,500. Take always before. The third price target would be 31,800, and the fourth would be 32,000. Take constantly profit, take profit, and move stop loss to your entry. Very important. So next, when we can short we can, guys, in my opinion right now. The more risky one is if we're closing below 4-hourly EMA ribbon with a clear selling volume with a red candle, then we can start shorting. The more safe thing, if we can speak about safe, is if we are below 29,500, or I would even say 29,600 right now. So if we are closing below 29,600 with a clear 4-hourly candle, then we can start Bitcoin shorting down, I would say even with the 1-hourly candle below 29,600. So this would be, where are the price targets, guys? I show you again the price targets. The price targets are, the first price target would be around 29,000. This is the first price target. The second price target would be 29,600. This is our, from our bear flag, which is right now invalid because this is too long flag, but still 29,600. The third price target 28,300. The fourth price target would be around 26,500. So it's all in all 10%, 10x 100%, 5x 50%, and take also here profits constantly on these levels, like at 29, at 29,000 take profits, at 29,600 take profits, at 29,300 take profits, at 26,500 take profits. Move your stop loss to your entry so you don't lose any money. Very important, guys. Where we are trading, I want to show you again to everyone who is sticking to our community right now new. On Bybit, you get right now 4,620 for free after initial deposit, and you get on Bybit, very important, 30 days zero maker fee. Go right now, only 1 minute registration, guys. So Ethereum, quick watch to Ethereum. Wait a minute. Come on, ебаный в рот, блядь. Why it takes so long? Сука, блядь, where is it? Here, Ethereum. So Ethereum pumped. Not a surprise that the Ethereum pumped. Why not surprised, guys? Because Bitcoin pumped, right? So we don't analyze TA on altcoins. We're just watching the price targets, because if Bitcoin pump, they usually also pump, right? So our first price target would be right now 1,840 if Bitcoin pump. Our second price target would be around 1,910. Or our third price target 1,950. Our fourth price target around below 2,000, 1,909, something like that. 9.6%, 10x average 96%, 5x average around 45%. If Bitcoin pump above 4-hourly EMA ribbon, guys, closing above 4-hourly EMA ribbon with a clear 4-hourly candle. If Bitcoin will dump, we can shorting down Ethereum. 1,750 first price target, second 1,700, third 1,550. It's 15%, 10x average 150%, 5x average 75%, and you take profits also here constantly and move your stop loss to your entry. Very clear, guys. On Bybit, you can also short Bitcoin, Ethereum, long Ethereum, or just buying on spot. Very clear. Let us be prepared. Today we will see in the night a high volatility because the stock market in Asia open. If we don't see any high volatility, then we will see it finally when the stock market, US stock market, at 9:30 opens. And it will be very interesting, guys, because look how often we are retested the EMA ribbon, and the more often you retest the support, the more likely it will break. So technically, we are expecting here to break down, but it's not a guarantee, guys. Technically, yes, we are retest so much that we have to break down, but we will see, guys. Nobody can tell you this 100%. Yes, so let us watch what will happen here, guys. It's very clear, in my opinion, what to do. Again, quick summary, блядь. quick summary: if we break above 4-hourly EMA ribbon, if we're closing this 4-hourly candle in 1.5 hours clearly above, we can long Bitcoin. If it will be stay into EMA ribbon, I would wait until we see a clear decision. This is one thing. If we're closing below the 4-hourly EMA ribbon, I would wait to 4-hourly candle, but to the professionals can also trade. And when we close a 1-hourly with a clear selling volume, with a clear red candle, we can shorting down to our price targets, which I showed you. Please take profits constantly, guys. Very important. Move your stop loss to your entry. You know how to do it, guys. Please do your own research, not a financial advice. Please don't just copy me. Make your own research and then make your decision, because it's your money, your responsibility. So do I. If I'm making my trades, and it's my responsibility, my money, and I don't make anyone responsible for it, right? You can take me as an opinion. So if you have any questions, guys, write me down below. Tell me you are long, short, or standing on a sideways. If you're standing on a sideways, go take your 4,620 bonus, or if you don't have initial deposit, your 30-day zero maker fee. And I kiss you, and I see you later. Mwah! I think this week will be crazy, man.